What if I told you? This old, broken, lifeless watch cost just $1 straight from China. Everyone said it's junk, worthless. But I saw something else. Potential asterisk. It had been sitting in a drawer for years, covered in dust, a dead battery, and scratches all over. Most people would throw it away without a second thought, but not me. Asterisk, every tiny screw, every rusted part, came off one by one. The inside was worse than I thought, full of corrosion, stuck gears, and dried oil. Now came the most satisfying part. Cleaning. Years of grime dissolved away as I polished every edge to perfection. That dull metal started to reflect light again. And for the first time, I could see the soul of this little timepiece returning. Then, the rebuild. Every part went back with care. The movement began to tick again, slow at first, then steady. That tiny tick-tick sound. It's not just a sound. It's the sound of life returning. The strap got a complete makeover to soft. Clean, elegant, and then came the moment of truth. From dull metal to mirror gloss. Sikta from forgotten to flawless. Would you believe this once cost just $1? Now it looks like it belongs in a luxury store. Sometimes, value isn't about the price. It's about the passion you put into it. This is what I live for. Turning forgotten things into timeless treasures. If you enjoyed this transformation, hit that like button and subscribe for more restorations that bring history back to life. Asterisk, asterisk, because here, K, even a $1 watch can shine brighter than gold. Asterisk, asterisk.